F-A-I-L. What's the meaning of fail?
No, I don't know.
I know you test in 1 hour time.
Okay.
Now, you telling me that you not worry about it because you're sitting with me,
Yes.
but back of your mind, so far in that 5-10 minutes, the way you drive, you might not shown me
Yeah.
that you worry, but back of your mind, I know you are worried.
I feel cold.
I know.
I don't know why I feel this sensation. I eat banana, but I still feel
It's
cold.
okay.
Yeah.
Is a human nature.
Yeah.
Is this your first test?
Yes.
Yeah, it's human nature. Now, just give me some answers.
Okay.
When the examiner gonna come, so he gonna be here or she
Yeah.
gonna be here, right?
Yes.
Are you gonna do something new with the examiner which not done, or you only gonna be doing driving only? What you gonna be doing?
Driving only, nothing new.
Nothing new.
Nothing new.
So far you done mock test with me.
Yes.
So you making all the decisions.
Yeah, yeah.
You're doing same with examiners. You need to ask yourself, is there something new you're gonna do which you not done? No.
It's not.
So why you worry? If you're gonna understand like that, your test will be a lot easier. You know everything. You know about meeting and clearance, right?
Yes.
You know about the roundabouts.
Yes.
You know about pedestrian crossings.
Yes.
You know about crossroad junctions. You know about T junction. You know
Yeah.
about open and closed view junctions, isn't it? Yeah.
Yes.
You know all that. There's nothing new you're gonna be doing. All I want you to do when you go for the test, doesn't matter which examiner you get. It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
They're all human beings. One thing you have to remember, examiners want you
To pass.
to pass your test.
Okay.
I guarantee you, all the examiners when they comes out, they don't come out, oh, I'm gonna fail her. They don't even know you.
Yeah, yeah, true.
They're doing a job like I'm doing, and their job is to, if you do a good driving, you pass. You know why people get failed? Because A, maybe they're not prepared for the test,
Yeah.
and B, maybe they're worrying that examiner will do something new, but they don't. Okay? Do not think about pass or fail. If you're gonna think about pass or fail, you will gonna get fail.
Yeah.
Instead, you tell yourself, I'm gonna drive 40 minutes my best with the examiner. And if you do that, I promise you, you will pass.
Okay.
F-A-I-L, what's the meaning of fail?
No, I don't know.
First
Ah.
attempt
Okay.
in learning.
All right.
First attempt in learning.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Shall we do it?
Yes. Hi guys, I passed first attempt with Acorn. I really recommend Acorn. Was the best. And Raja, thank you very much.
Thank
If it was not you, I didn't pass for the first time. Thank you very much, Raja.